Hello, dear viewers. We're so glad you've chosen to spend your time with us today. Welcome to our delightful corner of the internet where we delve into the delicious world of food. Today, we're going on a savory journey, exploring the crunchy wonder of homemade potato chips. From the humble spud to the golden, crispy snack we all love, we're revealing the secrets behind every step of the process. Stay tuned and get ready to learn how to make your very own delicious and crispy potato chips. And first off, we need to gather all the essential ingredients. The stars of our show are simple yet impactful: fresh, firm potatoes, oil for frying, and salt for that essential seasoning. Potatoes are the canvas for our culinary masterpiece, while the oil transforms them into crisp delights. Salt adds the final touch of flavor. Of course, if you're feeling adventurous, you can also bring in optional spices or flavorings to add a personal twist. Now that we have all our ingredients, we can move on to the next step. It's time to prepare our star ingredient, the potatoes. First things first, we need to give our potatoes a thorough wash. This step is crucial to remove any dirt or debris that might still be clinging to the skin. Once they're clean as a whistle, we get to peeling. Now, you might be wondering, why peel the potatoes? Well, peeling the potatoes not only gives our chips a smooth finish, but also allows for a more uniform cooking process. Next up is slicing. Here's where precision comes into play. We want to slice our potatoes as thinly as possible. Why, you ask? Thin slices equal the ultimate crispy crunch we all love in our potato chips. Just imagine biting into a perfectly cooked, crispy golden chip. Heavenly, right? That's the magic of thin slicing. With our potatoes sliced and ready, we move to the exciting part, frying. Get your frying pan ready because it's time to turn these potato slices into chips. Now, the secret to perfect potato chips lies in the frying process. You'll need to heat your oil to just the right temperature. That sweet spot is around 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius for our metric friends. Then gently lower your potato slices into the hot oil. Be mindful of your fingers. We don't want any unwanted splatters. Let them fry until they take on a beautiful golden brown hue. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side, depending on the thickness of your slices. You'll know it's time to flip them when the edges start to curl up slightly. Once they're crispy and golden, use a slotted spoon to carefully lift them out of the oil and let them drain on a paper towel. Look at those golden crispy chips, but we're not done yet. Now comes the part that makes potato chips truly irresistible, the seasoning. The magic begins with a generous sprinkle of sea salt. For a flavor twist, you can experiment with other spices like smoked paprika or garlic powder. The key here is to ensure you season while the chips are still hot. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully, giving the chips a robust and satisfying taste. And there you have it, your very own homemade potato chips. We've come to the end of our potato chips journey. We've traversed the entire process, beginning with the humble potato, moving on to the artful slicing, the sizzling frying, and finally, the delicate seasoning. It's been a flavorful adventure, hasn't it? Remember, the beauty of cooking lies in the joy of experimentation. So, don't be afraid to play around with different ingredients and seasonings. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed this journey as much as we did. Until next time, happy cooking.